Now, I know that most people confuse self-confidence with self-esteem. There's a difference there. Self-esteem is all about the general feeling that you have about yourself. That you feel positive about yourself, that you feel that you are worthy, that you feel that you're deserving. So that's self-esteem. But what is self-confidence? Self-confidence is that stuff that gets you to convert your thoughts into action. So self-esteem does not convert any action, but it's just a general feeling about yourself and how you are in life. But self-confidence is what gets you going. It's what gets you producing results, because without self-confidence, there's nothing that we can actually do. So what motivation tends to do is that it just talks about self-esteem. Now just feel good about yourself, just believe that you can do it, just believe that you are worthy and you are deserving. Yes, good enough. Now that you're believing that you can do it, the question is, what gets you going? That's where self-confidence comes in. So I just want to share with you some few elements of self-confidence. Shall we? Let's go. Are you ready to move from mental darkness to mental light? Then I'm here. Please do give me a call and let's engage further.